Oh, I didn't see you there. Hey, Leah, come on over. We got some guests.
Oh, hi.
Well, hello there. Currently, we are working on a very interesting lab. What are we doing?
Oh, I believe it's called titration, John. Is it not?
Titration. Now, our subject matter for this is 4 different types of apples. Let's take you through the steps so that you become familiar with what we're doing. So, our first step is to fill the burette. What should we fill the burette with?
I believe it would be starch, John.
Well, not yet. Oh, not yet. We first fill it with iodine. I2.
I was wrong. This is why we learn.
Yes, this is why we learn. Now, let's fill it in there. Now, may look clear, which it is. Now, we have to measure what it is, but first we need to prime the burette. What does
that mean, John? Prime the burette?
Well,
What does
we
that
gotta
mean?
make sure that all the air bubbles are out. So, we just make sure that all the air bubbles are out. Slowly. Okay.
Stop. Good.
All the air bubbles are out. Therefore, it is primed. Now, that we have to measure where it is at the beginning. So let's measure. Okay. Make sure you record this down.
You won't forget.
Now, our next is to cut one of our 4 varieties of apples.
We're going to do these one at a time so we can get
one
an accurate
at a time.
measurement. So this is going to be our Golden Delicious.
Mm-hmm. And put it in the blender. Sorry. And then we blend. Yeah. And that is our blender. And then we pour the blended apple pieces into the beaker. Now, if it is very pulpy and whatnot, you would want to use one of these filter papers to get out the pulp. Then we must add 100 milliliters of 40% oxalic acid.
Oxalic acid.
Oxalic. Now, I measured this out before. Now, we also must add starch. Yes. And now, we must add slowly so as not to go past the end point, and it will turn, you'll figure it out. Slowly.
I think it's...
Oh.
Wow.
Wait, it needs a little more, I think.
It's almost there. It's almost there.
Whoa! That is what we want right there. Perfect. So, our next thing is, of course, to measure how much we put in there. Let's see here. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Now, with this measurement, now we need to do some calculations to figure out how much we put in there. We take what we had at the beginning, subtracted from what we have at the end, and therefore that is our added thing. Then you go through the equation, which is, and you repeat it with the other apples. Have a nice day. C2. I forgot. Okay.
See you later.
And that's it.